Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Occasionally, everyone experiences forgetfulness, particularly during busy period of life. Genetics contribute to memory loss, particularly in severe neurological disorder such as Alzheimer's disease. Nonetheless, studies indicate that diet and lifestyle significantly affect memory as well. Here are 5 scientifically supported methods to naturally enhance your memory. Number 1. Consuming excessive added sugar has been associated with various health issues and chronic disease, including cognitive decline. A study involving over 4,000 individuals revealed that higher consumption of sugary beverages was linked to lower total brain volumes and poorer memory compared to those with lower sugar intake. Number 2. Fish oil contains high levels of the omega-3 fatty acids eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. Research has demonstrated their ability to decrease the likelihood of cognitive decline. Number 3. Meditation and relaxation techniques have been demonstrated to enhance short-term memory across all age groups, from individuals in their 20s to older adults. For instance, a study revealed that Taiwanese college students who participated in meditation practices such as mindfulness exhibited notably improved spatial working memory compared to non-meditating students. Number 4. Research has indicated that mindfulness is successful in reducing stress and enhancing concentration and memory. In a study involving 293 psychology students, those who participated in mindfulness training demonstrated enhanced recognition memory performance when recalling objects, in contrast to students who did not undergo mindfulness training. Finally, number 5, engaging in cognitive exercises through brain games is an enjoyable and effective method to enhance memory. Activities such as crosswords, word recall games, Tetris, and dedicated memory training apps are excellent for strengthening memory. For instance, a study involving over 4,700 individuals revealed that consistent participation in an online brain training program significantly improved short-term memory, working memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills compared to a control group. Try adding a few of these science-backed tips to your daily routine to boost your brain health and keep your memory in top condition. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.